Hello everyone, you are back again. We are busy with lesson 11 in week 5. In this lesson for English, we'll be identifying letters. In maths, we'll count forwards and backwards from 1 to 5, and in life skills, we will see what do you see in the picture. Listening and identifying. We need to see which of these letters do not sound the same as your first letter. Your first letter is D. Let's listen. D, D, G, D. Which one did not sound the same? G. Well done. Our next one is H. Let's listen. H, B, H, H. Which one did not sound the same? B. Our next letter is W. Let's listen. W, 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 T. Which one did not sound the same? T. Well done. Counting. Counting is when you want to see how many of something you have, so you count them all. In counting, we have forward counting, so that is like you jumping forward, going further and further and further, going to a bigger and bigger number. And we also have backward counting, like jumping backwards and more backwards, so you're going to go to a lower and lower number. Now let's count forward. Remember, counting forward goes from smallest to biggest. Look at my circles, from the smallest to the biggest circle. Counting backwards. Remember, that is going from the biggest to the smallest. Look at my circles. They are going from the biggest circle to the smallest circles. Let's count forward from 1 to 5. Remember, counting forward goes from smallest to biggest. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Let's count backwards from 5 to 1. Remember, backwards is from biggest to smallest. Let's start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, go practice this at home. Remember, if you are counting forwards, you are going to jump forward for each number, from smallest to biggest. And if you are going to count backwards, jump to the back for each number, from biggest number to the smallest number. Now, what do you see? We see a house with some trees. What else do you see in the picture? We see some colors and we see some shapes. Let's see what colors we see. A green tree, yellow apples, a brown tree trunk, a beige door, some blue windows, a red roof, and a yellow house. So those all together make 7 different colors. Let's do shapes. We see a circle for the tree, a triangle roof, a rectangle door, a square window. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm not doing all the rectangles, all the squares, and all the circles. Because I asked, what shapes do we see? I didn't ask how many circles did we see or how many triangles did we see. So remember to always listen careful to what your teacher is asking. Altogether, these shapes make 4 different shapes. That is it for today. I'm sending some air hugs to all of you, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye.